Welcome to a journey into the world of chia seeds, where tiny treasures pack a powerful punch of nutrients. Discover the ancient secrets and modern science behind these versatile superfoods. Originating from Central America, chia seeds have a rich history dating back to the Aztec and Mayan civilizations. Today, these seeds are celebrated worldwide for their exceptional nutritional content. Packed into a tiny package, chia seeds offer a nutritional powerhouse. Just a small serving contains a remarkable array of essential nutrients, from protein and fiber to calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting our bodies, and chia seeds are a rich source of these protective compounds. Explore the diverse antioxidants present in chia seeds and their potential health benefits. Looking to shed some pounds? Chia seeds might be your secret weapon. Dive into the relationship between chia seeds, fiber, protein, and weight management, backed by scientific insights. Protect your heart with the help of chia seeds. Uncover how the fiber and omega-3 fatty acids in these seeds could contribute to a healthier heart and potentially lower your risk of heart disease. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body, and chia seeds offer a wealth of bone-supporting nutrients. Delve into the essential minerals present in chia seeds and their potential impact on bone health. Stabilize your blood sugar levels naturally with the help of chia seeds. Explore the fiber-rich composition of chia seeds and their potential role in managing blood sugar, offering a natural approach to health. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is a breeze. From enhancing the texture of your favorite dishes to serving as a nutritional boost, chia seeds are a versatile and convenient addition to any meal. Unlock the potential benefits of chia seeds by including them in your culinary creations. Start with a small dose and savor the diverse advantages these tiny seeds can offer for your overall well-being.